How to use your free bets on Paddy Power. So this is the official help center of Paddy Power. So you're gonna expect that this is the actual step-by-step method in order to do so. On how to use your free bets, you can place your free bet by following these simple steps. So click on your bet section and open your best slip in the right-hand corner of your screen. For more information on how to place a bet, you can read their article over here. You can go to your preferred browser and search for Paddy Power. But anyways, if your selection are eligible for the free bet you receive the use available bonus option is presented, you can tap the toggle to enable use of your free bet. So as you can see over here, there's a use free bets balance once you're making a bet, and once you do that, just pretty much just place your bet. Confirm your selections and use your free bet by tapping place a bet. So you can note that if the total stake is higher than your available bonus balance, then the remaining funds will be taken from your main cash balance when possible. Also, if you have multiple types of free bets, they will automatically select the one that is most relevant to your bet based on the order in which it was awarded. For example, if you are awarded a free bet that can be used on any market first and a horse racing only free bet after, and you want to place a free bet on a horse race, they will take the unrestricted free bet first. So you gotta be aware of this when deciding which order to place your bets and how to use your free bet balance. But anyways, that's pretty much how you use your free bet in Paddy Power. So if this video can help you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.